Hello and welcome. Brace yourself for 30 remarkable challenges that will test your expertise. What is the positive terminal of a battery called? Anode. Cathode. Neutral. The correct answer is cathode. Knowledge boost: the cathode is the positive terminal where electrons enter the battery during discharge. What is the negative terminal of a battery called? Cathode. Anode. Neutral. The correct answer is anode. Did you know? The anode is the negative terminal from which electrons flow out of the battery. What kind of energy is stored inside a battery? Heat energy. Chemical energy. Light energy. The correct answer is chemical energy. A quick fact for you: batteries store energy in chemical form which is converted to electricity. What unit is used to measure the power or electrical force of a battery? Amps. Ohms. Volts. The correct answer is volts. Impress your friends with this fact: voltage is the measure of the electrical potential difference or force in a battery. What is the common name for the type of battery used in a TV remote control? D battery. AA battery. C battery. The correct answer is AA battery. Let's learn something new. AA batteries are one of the most common sizes used in many small household electronics. What does a rechargeable battery allow you to do? Use it only once. Use it many times after recharging. Use it only for 1 hour. The correct answer is, use it many times after recharging. Here's a nugget of wisdom: rechargeable batteries can be reused many times, saving money and reducing waste. Which metal is often used in modern high-power rechargeable batteries for phones and laptops? Lead. Lithium. Zinc. The correct answer is lithium. Let's learn something new. Lithium-ion batteries are the standard for most portable electronic devices due to their high energy density. What is a car battery most often used for? Running the radio. Starting the engine. Charging your phone. The correct answer is starting the engine. Impress your friends with this fact: a car battery provides a large burst of electricity needed to start the vehicle's engine. When a battery is used up and cannot be charged again, what is it called? A primary battery. A secondary battery. A third battery. The correct answer is a primary battery. Here's an interesting fact: a primary battery is designed to be used only once and then discarded. What is the scientific process that produces electricity inside a battery? Fusion. Chemical reaction. Melting. The correct answer is chemical reaction. Here's something cool: electricity in a battery is produced by a controlled chemical reaction between its components. Which simple metal is often used as the outer casing for many common household batteries? Iron. Zinc. Copper. The correct answer is zinc. Here's a nugget of wisdom: zinc forms the container and acts as the anode or negative terminal in many standard batteries. What is a simple way to connect batteries to increase the total voltage? Parallel connection. Series connection. Single connection. The correct answer is series connection. Here's something cool: connecting batteries positive to negative in a series increases the total voltage. What is a simple way to connect batteries to increase the total capacity or lifespan? Parallel connection. Series connection. Single connection. The correct answer is parallel connection. Fun fact: connecting batteries positive to positive in parallel increases the total capacity. What is the danger of throwing a battery into the trash or fire? It is harmless. It can leak harmful chemicals or explode. It makes the trash smell. The correct answer is, it can leak harmful chemicals or explode. Surprising trivia: batteries contain corrosive and sometimes toxic chemicals that can be dangerous. What is the energy conversion when a battery powers a flashlight? Chemical to heat. Chemical to light. Heat to electricity. The correct answer is chemical to light. A quick fact for you: the battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy, which the bulb converts to light. What is the small metal cap on the top of a battery called? The base. The terminal cap. The protective layer. The correct answer is the terminal cap. Did you know? The small cap on the top of the battery is usually the positive terminal. What should you do with used rechargeable batteries? Throw them in the trash. Recycle them at a special facility. Bury them in the garden. The correct answer is, recycle them at a special facility. A quick fact for you: batteries contain valuable materials and harmful chemicals, so they must be recycled safely. What does a secondary battery allow you to do? Use it only once. Recharge and use it many times. Use it for only a few minutes. The correct answer is, recharge and use it many times. Surprising trivia, a secondary battery is designed to be recharged and reused. What is the common voltage of a single AA battery? 15 volts. 5 volts. 12 volts. The correct answer is 15 volts. Let's learn something new. A standard disposable AA battery provides 15 volts of power. What is the main function of the electrolyte inside a battery? To provide the chemical reaction medium. To store electricity. To protect the outer casing. The correct answer is, to provide the chemical reaction medium. Here's something cool. The electrolyte is the liquid or paste that allows ions to move between the anode and cathode. What is the name for the device that restores the charge in a rechargeable battery? A power bank. A charger. An inverter. The correct answer is a charger. Knowledge boost: a charger reverses the chemical process inside the battery to restore its charge. What happens to a battery's voltage as it is used up? It stays the same. It decreases. It increases. The correct answer is, it decreases. Here's something cool: as the chemical reaction slows down, the battery's voltage gradually drops. What is the primary material used in the plates of a standard car battery? Lithium. Lead. Zinc. The correct answer is lead. Knowledge boost: standard car batteries are heavy and use lead plates submerged in acid. What is the main purpose of the insulated casing around a battery? To make it look nice. To prevent short circuits and leakage. To make it last longer. The correct answer is, to prevent short circuits and leakage. Fun fact: the casing protects the user and prevents the internal components from touching and causing a short circuit. What is the unit of measure for electrical current flowing from a battery? Volts. Amperes. Watts. The correct answer is amperes. Surprising trivia: amperes or amps is the unit used to measure the rate of electrical flow or current. What is a smart battery? A battery that talks. A battery that can communicate its charge level and health. A battery that is very small. The correct answer is, a battery that can communicate its charge level and health. Here's something cool: smart batteries have internal electronics to manage and report their state and health. What is the danger of mixing old and new batteries in a device? They might not fit. The old battery can drain the new one and cause leakage. The device will go faster. The correct answer is, the old battery can drain the new one and cause leakage. Knowledge boost: mixing batteries can lead to uneven discharging and potential leakage. What does the term capacity mean for a battery? Its physical size. How much energy it can store. How quickly it can recharge. The correct answer is, how much energy it can store. Fun fact, capacity usually measured in ampere-hours is how much energy it can hold. What kind of battery is typically used in a small wristwatch or hearing aid? A car battery. A coin cell battery. AD battery. The correct answer is, a coin cell battery. Here's a nugget of wisdom: coin cell batteries are small flat batteries used in low-power miniature devices. What is the liquid component inside a standard car battery? Water. Sulfuric acid. Oil. The correct answer is sulfuric acid. Fun fact, a traditional car battery uses a solution of sulfuric acid as its electrolyte. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.